In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase Steam Desktop download speed. We're going to focus on a quick Windows tweak that gives Steam higher priority on your computer, which can help downloads move along more smoothly when your system is juggling other tasks. Start by opening the Steam app on your desktop. Make sure you have a game or update currently downloading so you can see the impact. At the top of the window, click Library. This takes you to your collection, and more importantly for today, it lets you view your active downloads so you can watch the speed, progress bar, and any changes as we go. With the download visible, open the item so Steam is actively working in the background. Keeping the screen open helps you monitor transfer rates and confirm the change you're about to make is actually helping. Now move to the Windows taskbar at the bottom of your screen and right-click it. From the menu that appears, choose Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, find Steam in the list of running apps or background processes, right-click it, and select Go to Details. This jumps you straight to the underlying process that actually handles work for the app. In the Details tab, locate Steam.exe. Right-click Steam.exe, hover over Set Priority, and choose Real Time. Windows may show a prompt explaining that changing priority can affect system behavior. Confirm to proceed. Setting Real Time tells Windows to give Steam first access to CPU time and scheduling, which can help keep the download pipeline responsive, especially if other applications are competing for resources. A quick tip as you test: keep an eye on the download speed graph in Steam. If your internet connection is the bottleneck, the improvement might be modest, but reducing competition from other apps often stabilizes and lifts throughput. Also remember that content server congestion and local network limits can influence results, so expect some variability. That's all there is to it. By opening Steam, heading to your library to view the active download, and using Task Manager to set Steam.exe to real time, you can often squeeze out faster, steadier download speeds on your desktop.